Welcome to Amazon with Sam. This is episode 1 of the PPC campaign series. Over the next 10 episodes, I'm going to walk you through every single thing you need to know about running Amazon ads. And we're starting today with the absolute fundamentals. The things every new seller sees the moment they open Amazon Seller Central. Where ads appear, what ad types Amazon offers, and how to set up your very first campaign step by step. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what you're looking at when you open the Sponsored Ads dashboard. Let's go. Open Amazon right now. Search for anything. Now look carefully. See those little sponsored tags on the products? Those are ads. The top row of results? Ads. The carousel halfway down a product page? Ads. The strip at the bottom of a search? Ads. On a desktop, roughly 40 to 50% of the search page is paid. On mobile, sometimes the entire first screen is ads before you even see organic results. This is why I tell every new seller, you can't launch on Amazon without PPC. The organic algorithm won't rank you until you have sales. And you can't get sales without traffic. And you can't get traffic without ads. PPC isn't optional. It's the air your listing breathes. When you go into Amazon ads, you'll see 4 ad types. Let me walk you through each one. Number 1. Sponsored products. These are text ads that look almost identical to organic results. They appear in search and on product detail pages. This is where 70 to 80% of your budget should live. Number 2. Sponsored brands. Big banner at the top of a search page with your logo and 3 of your products. Requires brand registry. Number 3. Sponsored display. Image ads that run both on Amazon and on external websites. Great for retargeting people who looked at your product but didn't buy. And number 4. Sponsored streaming TV. Video ads that run on Prime Video and connected TV apps. Great for awareness, more advanced. Today and across the next few episodes, we're focused on sponsored products. The foundation everything else builds on. When you click Create Campaign, the first screen you see is Settings. 5 fields. Let me walk you through each. Campaign name. Amazon defaults to campaign plus a date stamp. Don't leave that. Use a naming convention. My format is SP-manual-goal-match type-keyword. Like SP-manual-performance-exact-water bottle. Why? Because in 3 months, when you have 40 campaigns, scanning the dashboard becomes impossible without good names. Portfolio, a folder that groups campaigns for one product or one goal. Optional but useful for reporting. Start date, today. End date, leave blank. Country, defaults to your marketplace. Daily budget, and listen. Start small, $10 to $20 a day. You want to gather data, not blow up your account in 48 hours. You can always raise it. Raising is easy. Recovering from blown budget is hard. After you fill in settings, you hit the most important decision in the entire campaign creation flow. Targeting, auto or manual. That's it. That's the fork. Auto. Amazon reads your listing and decides what to bid on. Manual. You decide. They feel similar, but they behave totally differently. Auto is a discovery tool. Manual is a control tool. Most pros run both in parallel. We'll go deep on each one in the next episode. For today, just know that this question is coming, and just know that auto is usually the right answer for your very first campaign while you learn what's working. Real quick, if you choose auto, the next panel shows you 2 options: set default bid or set bids by targeting group. Default bid means you set 1 bid for everything Amazon's algorithm decides to test. Simple, beginner-friendly. By targeting group unlocks 4 separate bidders: close match, loose match, substitutes, and complements. Each one is a different type of search Amazon will run ads on. Pros always pick by group because you can tune each one. We'll go deep on the 4 subgroups and when to use each in episode 2. If you pick manual instead, you'll see another fork. Keyword targeting or product targeting. Keyword targeting means you pick the search term shoppers type. Product targeting means you pick the specific competitor product pages where your ad shows. For keywords, you also pick match types. Broad, phrase, or exact. These all change how strict the matching is. We're going to spend the entire next episode on auto and manual deep dives, match types, subgroups, all of it. Don't worry if it feels like a lot right now. It clicks fast once you see it in action. Let me give you the budget math because new sellers blow this up all the time. $10 to $20 a day. That's $300 to $600 a month. That's enough to gather real data about what keywords convert and what doesn't. Your target ACOS, the percentage of sales that goes to ad spend, should be 40 to 60% for a new campaign. Why so high? Because you're paying to learn. You're paying for data. Once you find the keywords that convert, you'll drop ACOS to 20 or 30% in your performance campaigns. But the first 30 days, you accept the higher ACOS as the cost of education. Raise your budget after your ACOS settles, not before. 3 actions this week. Don't skip them, don't skip ahead. Step 1. Open Amazon Ads in Seller Central. Look at all 4 ad types I just walked you through. Don't create anything yet. Just look. Get comfortable with the interface. Step 2. Create your first sponsored products campaign. Pick auto. Default bid. $15 a day. Step 3. And this is the hard one. Let it run for 7 days. Don't optimize. Don't change bids. Don't pause it. Don't second guess yourself. Just let it run. Then in episode 2, we'll come back together and analyze what happened. Next episode, episode 2, we go deep on targeting. The full breakdown of Auto's 4 hidden subgroups. Manual targeting, keyword versus product. The 3 match types every seller has to understand. And I'll show you one campaign type almost nobody teaches. The self-targeting trick that drove 30 sales in 3 days on a client account. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Look, if any of this helped, I put 2 things in the description below. Both are free or save you money on the tools I use every single day. The first is a free 30-minute audit of your account. No commitment, no sales pitch. And the second is my exclusive Helium 10 discount link. Check them out.